If you live in Canada and you have a TFSA, or you're thinking about opening one, this is a video you can't afford to skip, because most Canadians are using their TFSA completely wrong. And I'm going to break down the top mistakes, how they're quietly costing you money, and how to actually use your TFSA like the wealth-building weapon it was meant to be. Let's go. This is Street Smart Canada. Real talk, no fluff. Let's start with the basics. TFSA stands for Tax-Free Savings Account, but the name is actually super misleading. Because yes, it's a savings account, but it's really a tax-free investment account. And mistake number one? People just use it like a basic savings account. They throw $50 in there, let it sit, and earn like 1% interest. That's fine for an emergency fund, but it's a total waste of the TFSA's real power. Instead, your TFSA can hold stocks, ETFs, crypto, mutual funds, just like an RRSP or brokerage account. And every dollar you earn inside it, tax-free, forever. That brings us to mistake number two. Not investing inside your TFSA. Let's say you put $6,000 into your TFSA this year and buy a tech ETF like XQQ or an energy ETF like XEG. If it grows 10% over the year, that's $600 in gains. And unlike a normal account, you don't owe a cent in capital gains tax. Not now, not later. Zero. The earlier you start investing, the more that tax-free compounding works in your favor. Even small gains now can snowball into thousands over time. Mistake number three? Over-contributing and not tracking your room. Every Canadian 18 or older gets a TFSA limit that increases each year. As of 2025, the lifetime contribution room is $95,000, but only if you've been eligible every year since 2009. If you accidentally contribute more than your limit, the CRA charges you a 1% penalty per month on the excess. That's 12% per year, just for not paying attention. So check your room using CRA My Account, or call them if you're unsure. Don't guess. Mistake number four, withdrawing money and thinking you lose the room. This one trips people up. Let's say you pull $3,000 out of your TFSA in July. You don't lose that $3,000 in room, but you can't recontribute it until next year. If you redeposit the $3,000 in the same year, it's treated as an extra contribution. And now you're back to over-contributing with penalties. So always wait until January 1st to redeposit any money you've pulled out. Mistake number five, putting U.S. dividend stocks in your TFSA. Here's a curveball most people miss. If you hold U.S. dividend stocks, like Coca-Cola, Microsoft, or Apple, inside a TFSA, the IRS automatically withholds 15% of the dividend. No workaround. And because it's a TFSA, you don't get the foreign tax credit either. If you want to hold U.S. dividend stocks, do it in an RRSP, where they're exempt. Save your TFSA for Canadian dividends, capital growth, or ETFs that don't pay dividends at all. Now here's the big one. Not using your TFSA at all because you think, I don't have enough money. This is the lie we've all been told, that investing is only for rich people. The truth is, you can start with as little as $25 or $50 a month. Buy one share of an ETF, set up an auto transfer. Learn how it works while the stakes are low. Because what matters is the habit, not the amount. If you build the routine now, you'll be miles ahead when you actually have more to invest. The TFSA is like a cheat code, but only if you use it properly. Let's recap the biggest mistakes real quick. Treating your TFSA like a savings account instead of an investment account. Not investing at all. Over-contributing and getting hit with CRA penalties. Re-contributing withdrawals in the same year. Holding U.S. dividend stocks and losing 15%. Not using it at all because you don't have enough. Don't fall for these traps. Start small. Stay consistent. And treat your TFSA like the wealth builder it was designed to be. This is Street Smart Canada. And we don't just save money, we stack it smart. If this helped you, hit subscribe. And tell me in the comments, are you investing in your TFSA yet? Or just getting started? See you in the next one.